Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I think I have come to love Kim Kardashian, honestly. I know people have like this whole stigma about her. She has no talent, she's this, she's that. I think the girl has a lot of freaking talent. She's a marketing genius. She works with really smart people. Like, they're just like legitimate business women. And that is most definitely a talent. I swear to God, like, I wish I had that going on, because then I would be rich like Kim Kardashian, but I'm not. So I'm just gonna support her and buy her products, because honestly I just like her, and I like her personality, even though she's a little bit sometimes, and a little too risque for my liking sometimes. She's really awesome, and she's actually super sweet from like the things that I've seen of her. So I decided to support, I don't know why, I kind of like support Kim more than Kylie. I don't know why. I just like Kim, you know, I'm drawn to Kim. So anyways, I picked up the body fragrance. I actually did go ahead and pick up the BFF fragrance from Valentine's Day, and I actually really like this one. This one I thought was so cute. I got a lot of good pictures with this. I have yet to photograph Kim's body, but let me just talk. Let me just show you guys the product. So it comes in this gorgeous box. I'm obsessed with it. You open it up like this, and literally it goes down and it folds out, and I think that's really cool. Just the packaging itself, like all these things, it's so like architectural, you know? You pull the string and it all closes back. It's very architectural, and I love that. The actual packaging is freaking gorgeous. Literally, this is Kim's body. Like, they did a cast and this is her body. So like, if you imagine this life size, this is her body. I don't know if people are not understanding that, but literally you have Kim Kardashian's body in your hands. Like, that's crazy to me. Anyways, look, so detailed. It's so detailed. You can feel everything. Like, so literally you are feeling Kim Kardashian's body. Are you kidding me? Like, are you kidding me? This is amazing. I think this is gorgeous. I think it's so clever. Everybody wants a piece of Kim Kardashian, you know? And literally this is what she's giving. And I feel like people are buying this because of the bottle. Namely me. I did pick it up because it has peach in it, like a peach scent. So, alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and spray it and let it settle for a little bit. I really like the scent of it. However, I feel like it's a scent that I already know. It's like a familiar scent. I don't know what it is though. I don't know if other fragrances have the same kind of things in it. I'm gonna read you what it says on her website. So this is a narcotic elixir that offers an opening of bright, energetic bergamot, embracing a burst of juicy peach nectar. I love peaches, and I feel like that's the reason why I got this, because I like peach bellinis, I like peach scented things, so I'm into it. I don't know if it's the bergamot. I'm not sure. It says, in the heart, the lusciousness of jasmine sambac meets the fresh beauty of rose. Liang Liang from Moheli lends texture and depth to the body that eventually dries to a rich, luxurious base of skin woods and musk that keeps that narcotic effect alive for hours on your skin. So I can see how this gets very musky and woodsy, for sure. I feel like if you are into very sweet scents or like floral scents, this is not the one for you. I would not recommend this. I think it smells good. I think it smells good. It's just, it's one of those like scents that has a lot of layers to it. It's not just simple to the point, this is what it is, it's what's gonna smell like all the time. It goes down in different scents. So it has a scent when it's first sprayed, it has a scent when it's drying, it has a scent when it's dry, and it has a scent when it's like on your skin for a long amount of time. I don't know if it's the jasmine or if it's the bergamot that's like really like potent in it, but overall I think I like it. It's a very sophisticated scent. I don't see like a lot of young girls using it. It's not summery. I think it's a nice kind of like fall scent, not really like too summery. I don't know though, everyone's different. I would say I give this a B just because it's not a fragrance that everyone will like. But again, fragrances are very picky. Like some people like some things and some people don't like some things. But I feel like this is like a scent that you really have to think about, like, do I like this? Do I like it right now? Do I like it later? Like, it just has a lot of layers to it. So for packaging, A+. For scents, I'll give it like a B. I'm not like in love with it, but I don't like hate it either. So that is it, you guys. That's my review of the Kim Kardashian fragrance. If it's sold out and you didn't get your hands on it, don't even stress it. It's fine unless you really want the bottle, which is what I wanted. But if you did, then you can enjoy the bottle with me. I kind of wish the bottle wasn't rough though. It's kind of like this rough texture. I wish it was smooth. That way it would have felt like real. You would have like felt like a nice soft butt or like nice soft boobs, you know? I don't know if she did that on purpose because she didn't want it to actually feel like a human body, because I feel like people would buy this for the wrong reasons. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate you all so much. If you guys got the fragrance, or you guys are not gonna get the fragrance, or you have your thoughts on the fragrance, let me know all of it down below in the comments, and I will talk to you guys in another video. Please don't forget to go ahead and subscribe. Follow me on reesiibabe and reeseMUA, and I will talk to you guys in another one. See ya.